Here's the new 13-inch MacBook Pro.
With M1, the 13-inch MacBook Pro becomes way more powerful and way more pro. The 8-core CPU delivers up to 2.8 times faster performance. When it comes to graphics, the 8-core GPU is up to a whopping 5 times faster. So whether you're using Shaper 3D to design a new product or constructing an immersive new world in Cinema 4D, the new MacBook Pro handles it all with ease. And when compared to the best-selling Windows laptop in its class, it's up to 3 times faster. In fact, the new 13-inch MacBook Pro can do things that no other compact 3-pound Pro notebook can do, like playback 8K ProRes footage in full quality in DaVinci Resolve without dropping a single frame. And when it comes to machine learning, performance is spectacular. Thanks to the Neural Engine, ML is up to 11 times faster than the previous generation. The new MacBook Pro also features an active cooling system. This allows it to sustain its remarkable pro performance when ripping through intensive tasks like video transcode in compressor. The new MacBook Pro delivers up to an incredible 17 hours for wireless web browsing and up to 20 hours for video playback. That's 10 more hours than before. The new Pro also has studio-quality mics with an improved signal-to-noise ratio. With Big Sur and the Secure Enclave, you get best-in-class security features like Activation Lock. And finally, with its 2 Thunderbolt ports with USB 4 support, the new Pro connects to more peripherals than ever. And with all this performance and new capabilities, the new Pro is still just $12.99 and just $11.99 for education.